Hi. So let's see one more question in from DBMS, which it was asked in your GATE exam. So let RIZ and WIZ denote read and write operations respectively on data item Z by a transaction TI. Consider the following two schedules, and two schedules are given. Okay, S1, S2. S1 is let's say we have R1, R2, two transactions T1 and T2. Okay, R1X, then R1Y. Then first we are seeing the first schedule. Next is R2X and R2Y. R2X and R2Y. So 2 means the transaction from T2. Okay, that's why I am writing here. Then W2Y and W1Z. W2Y and W1X. So these are schedules given. So let's see. So read will be clashed with the write of that variable. Suppose here it is read of x and here also it is read of x. So read of x will not be problem with read of x. Read of y. So no problem with here. Read of y. Read of y. Here again no problem. And here it is write of y. Read of y. Here with clash with this write of y. So there is a T1 to T2. Okay, after that here this read of x will clash with this write of x, so there is a cycle. So this is not conflict serializable. It is not conflict serializable. Okay, now see the second one. Second one S2 is here again T1 and T2. Here it is read of x, then read of x, then read of y, then write of y, then read of y, then write of x. So the same transaction read and write, no problem. But the problem is when one transaction is reading and another is writing. So read of x and read of x, no problem. Read of write of x is not there, so no problem here. This one. See here, read of x and write of x. There is a issue here. And read of y, no problem here. Write of y, read of y, no problem here because it is reading after write. So there is a issue only for T2 to T1. In this case, only this arrow. So this is conflict serializable. This is conflict serializable. So which option is correct? S1 is conflict serializable, S2 is not conflict serializable. See the other options also. Both S1 and S2 are conflict serializable. This is will be wrong. Neither S1 nor 2. This will also be wrong. S1 is not conflict serializable. S2 is conflict serializable. S1 is not conflict serializable. So this one is correct. Okay. So answer will be B. Thank you. Thanks for